Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Menaros, and for today's quick tutorial I am going to show you guys on how to go about resolving issue with the Microsoft Store. Downloading updates are stuck on server since or they are pending. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na WS reset. And then, click mo lang itong open. Alright, so ginagamit ang command key na ito para ma-reset at mag-relaunch successfully ang Microsoft Store. Okay, so makikita nyo dito, nag-relaunch na siya or na-resets in hope na na-resolve yung issue. Kapag hindi pa rin na-resolve, so close lang natin itong Microsoft. And then dito lang sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. And then, if you receive user account control, i-click mo lang itong yes. And then, dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsm /online /cleanup -image /restore health. So, copy lang natin yan. And then, kailangan lang natin i-paste dito. And then, press mo lang yung enter. Okay, so dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And then next naman keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo na yung sfc /scan now. So should be in all small letters and then one word yung /scan now, and then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. Kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo dito na verification 100%. So ang next step natin gagawin ay dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart para ma-fix yung problem. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Store stuck on pending when downloading. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.